Hello students, today we will solve a problem on the reciprocating pump. So, what is the given data? For the solution, we first will write down the given data. So, what is the data given here? So, they have given calculate the power required. So, first of all, they are asking us to calculate the power. So, P is question. So, to drive this single cutting, so number of cuttings is 1 of a reciprocating pump of cylinder diameter is 1 meter, that is 1 meter. Then they have given the stroke length, that is L, as 0.5 meter. Then they are given the speed of the pump. Speed of pump, that is capital N, is 17 rpm. Then they have given the suction head. So assume 2 cylinders. So number of cylinders is 2. Small n is 2. Number of cylinders, that is small n, is 2. And then they have given the suction head. Suction head is, that is HS, 0.3 m meter. And discharge head also they have mentioned. So what is the discharge head? That is HD is 1.5 meter. Now let us assume the density of water. So assuming density of water, which is denoted by rho, is 998.2 kg per meter cube, and we know gravity is 9.81 meter per second square. Now we have to calculate the power. So how is the power calculated? So power is equals to rho, that is the density, G, that is the gravity, AL, that is area, into length of the stroke, into capital N is the speed of the pump, into small n, that is number of cylinders, into HS, that is suction head, plus HD, that is discharge head, divided by 4500. Now calculating the area of the cylinder, we don't know what the value of A is. All other values have been given. Now area is equals to pi d square by 4. So they have given the diameter. So with the help of that diameter, we can calculate the area, which we can write it as pi into d square, that is 1 meter square, divided by 4, which will give us 0.786 meter square. So this is the area. Now how to calculate the power? So to calculate the power, we have already written the formula. That is the value of density of water we have taken as 998.2 into 9.91 into 0.786, that is the value of A, into length of the stroke is 0.5 that is the value of L. Then capital N is 12, that is nothing but 17 divided by 60 into small n is 2 into 0.3, that is the value of HS, plus 1.5. Okay, so all this divided by 4500 will give us power value as 52.33811 HP, that is horsepower. So this is the power required to drive the single cutting reciprocating pump. I hope you have understood the problem. Thank you.